What's up, YouTube? It is a beautiful day. We got a high of about 66 degrees today. The sun is out. We're gonna head up to Bellevue, Washington today. Gotta stop by my second office again, pick up some stuff I need. And then we're gonna swing by Optimum Motorsports. They're in Bellevue, Washington. And they are a motorcycle dealer. And they specialize in Aprilia motorcycles. So they have the new Aprilia RS 660. It's a beautiful Italian sports bike. I've never had an Italian bike before, so part of me wants to go look at it, see how she feels. We're gonna go check that out today and consider picking up a new bike. I also want to mention, by no means am I bored or tired of my Ninja 400. This is an absolutely amazing bike, and if I do end up buying the RS 660, I may even keep the Ninja 400 because I love this bike. It's an awesome bike. Everything I've said before about how it's a perfect beginner bike or perfect all-around bike for experienced riders, I still stick by it. It's an awesome bike. But to be honest, I didn't even know Aprilia had the RS 660. I wasn't really keeping up to date with all the new motorcycle launches the past couple years, but I started looking online and I found the RS 660, and I just thought it's a beautiful bike. Plus, it's only 400 pounds wet. That's about 25-30 pounds more than this bike, but overall it's still super lightweight. I'm kind of done with the heavy sport bike phase. I was really looking at the Ducati 950 because it's an upright sports bike. It's very comfortable. But the thing weighs over 460 pounds. That's about 100 pounds more than this bike. When you're commuting in the city, especially downtown Seattle, you got a lot of hills and inclines. Keeping up a bike that heavy is not very fun. There might be people in the office today. Maybe there's some type of corporate party or something. No idea. Alright guys, we are done with the Bellevue office. We're only about 10 minutes away from the Aprilia dealership. When I check out this bike, I want to chat with them about those known concerns with the RS 660. One, the oil tending to leak, engine needing to be replaced. But I also really want to see the bike in person, check out the ergonomics. How's the riding position feel? How's the handlebars feel? How's the weight of the bike feel? It's hidden. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Let's see, where can we park? Good. I wanted to peek at your RS 660. I'm assuming it's in the showroom here.
No, I actually don't have any. It's sold out. Yeah.
No way. I saw it on. Did it just sell out or something? Or?
Yeah. So I'll have more coming in though, literally at the end to middle of April.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
I might poke around and take a look. So
feel free. Man.
Appreciate it. Well, yeah. So they just sold out of the RS 660. Apparently, I just missed it. But they have the tonneaus here, so maybe I can take a seat on the tonneau and see how that feels. But here's the 660 tonneau. So it's kind of like a naked sports bike, except it has some bearings. Slightly less aggressive than the RS 660, but overall very similar. Feels pretty good. It's super lightweight bike. I can hop on the bike here and it's, oh yeah, this thing's lightweight. I mean, keep in mind there's some gas in there, but it's not the full tank of 4 gallons, I believe, or just shy of that. Still super flexible, super lightweight. That clutch pull is pretty light. Not as light as the Ninja 400, but still overall pretty light. But yeah, I'm thinking the RS 660 I would love. Just sitting on the tonneau right now feels good. Just not a huge fan of this handlebar. I can flat foot it, no problem. 511. Nice rear tire. I like the swing arm. It's kind of got that banana shaped swing arm. 180/55 17. Alright guys, we are out of here. Unfortunately, they don't have a 660 for me to demo, but put my name and information down, so hopefully when one does come available or someone walks away from it, we can come by and pick it up. Just sitting on it and feeling the Tuono felt really good. Let me know what you think of the RS 660. If it's a bad buy, will I regret my decision with the reliability issues? Let me know. Aw, what is up with this traffic? Really? Come on. Total buzzkill after buzzkill today. You know, maybe the RS 660 not in stock was a blessing in disguise. I don't know. I just thought it was a beautiful bike. I wanted to try it out. On the way home, I'm going to do a quick stop by my local Cycle Gear and pick up an additional back pad, because I only have one back pad as it is, and I find myself switching back pads between my jackets. I have about 4 jackets, so it's kind of annoying. So hello. And lightweight. I have this one here already. This one's nice. Size large. This should work. Alright, got the back pad in. I actually do a quick appreciation shot of the bike. Loving that Acura. No issues with my Ninja 400. Love this thing. We'll go ahead and head home. I'm getting pretty hungry, so. Real quick, just got home, but check out these new rear blinker covers I got with the smoked lens. Got these on eBay. I think they were about 15 bucks or so. Before, they were these with the shiny mirror reflector inside. A little too bright for my liking. Got them out for these smoke ones, and they look really clean on the bike. Quick, we'll show you guys what they look on with the smoked lens. Still very bright. Step back a little bit. Still really clear from a distance. But with that smoked lens, it just cleans up the bike a lot. Looks really clean in my opinion. Overall, I love it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.